Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set compatibility mode for apps in Windows 10. So to set compatibility mode, firstly click on Start, then Settings. In here click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot. Here you will find option Additional Troubleshooters, so click on it. Scroll down. Click on Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Run the troubleshooter. It will detect. Now select the program where you want to set compatibility mode, like Word, so select it, then click on Next. Click on Try Recommended Settings. Click on Test the program. If your application is working properly, so click on Next and click on Yes, save these settings for this program. That's it. So like this friends, you can set compatibility mode for apps in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.